What do we say?
Bumbaras!
All of them.
Bumbaras! Pussy bumper fuck!
Amigo, I stop say people if come and chat fuckery. But at the same time, I'm all about free speech, so you can chat and say whatever you want to say. But imagine if I say something like this. Black people if come in our way and chat in our region. Oh. Like what you would tell the Chinese people in Jamaica? What happened to the white people born in Jamaica? All they know. People are going to feel what they want to feel. But that not really matter.
Top Jamaican man. Sure.
I'm not putting on an accent.
You are.
I'm not. This is how I talk.
Oh, you live in Jamaica. You were foreign for 1 year and you have an American accent. Mom too. Talk like you're talking to me when you
Mom. Go get him, son. Go get him, son.
Oh, it yes.
Not cook not taste good to me.